Welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. Oh, my camera's dirty. Oh yeah, starting the day. We got the sparklers put into the Dodge Challenger. He asked me to turn it to H cars. It'd be nice, you know, my wife will be here. Alright, welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. I'm going to show you another project like I need one, but the weather's getting nice here in Oklahoma, so it's time to get one of these and go play. My last video I showed you a small glimpse of it, but let's go outside because I've got it running right now, and yeah, let's see the new project for the shop. Yeah, this is a 1988 GL Honda Goldwing, whatever you want to say. You know, 6-cylinder, pretty good. I got a really good deal on this thing. It is beautiful, garage kept. You know, it's got a few flaws here and there, like we need to change out a headlight bulb. It is running quite funny because it did sit for a while. But we are going to go on and try to get a quick run on this. I've dumped some Lucas in the tank. We're going to try to see if we can get these carbs cleaned up a little bit. I've already checked the air filter. We do need to put a new set of spark plugs in it because I don't know where they've been changed, so I ordered some. Hopefully they're going to be here today. But yeah, so I'm going to try to do a small ride, go get some gas, fill the tank up, you know, and just ride a little bit. So hold on a second, we'll be right back. We're going to run to the gas station and get some petrol. All right, well, we just got done getting some petrol. We got a full tank. Yeah, full tank. So we're still having some issues because I can't get it to run without it being on half choke, and it's got a slight hesitation and you barely roll on the throttle. So I'm gonna go hit the highway real quick and do a better walk around when I get back, because I kind of want to ride and see if these carbs clean up, because if not, we're gonna have to rebuild the carburetors. I don't want to. Good thing there's only 2 on this bike, even though it's a 6-cylinder. But yeah, let's get back and go for a ride. If I can find my head deal, I'll take you with me. So let's see. All right, well, couldn't take you along with me because I couldn't find my head deal for my GoPro, but we did put about 60 miles on this thing already. Woo! So it's gonna take a little while to get these carbs cleaned out again. Hopefully I don't have to rebuild them. Sorry for the wind noise because I'm outside. But I think this thing's pretty cool because it still has radio. It's got a CB, cruise control. I found a few flaws with it, like the tachometer's not working correctly, because when I was cruising about 55 top gear and overdrive is what it said. It says I was turning about 6,000 RPMs, which is red line. Actually, $5,000 is red line for this thing. So for an 88, not bad. Got some work to do on it. Hopefully the plugs will be here in a little bit. I'm about to pull the Passat out, because a little update on that. We did take it to the exhaust shop. I had to neck it down, so now it's full exhaust, so I don't have to worry about it. No check engine lights right now, so that's kind of cool. It's still quite loud, so I might have to put a muffler on it. But remember to like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you every Thursday, and hopefully next week we'll be putting plugs or putting a new radio in the Passat. So I'll catch you then. Bye.
Today is gonna be a little something